Tai Chi for Diabetes by Dr. Paul Lam does not go over the 270 or so official Tai Chi postures, nor all the movements and philosophy that you could employ with that. But it gives you a way that you can choreograph your own forms of the practice by, the balancing, the variety, the general principles. If you were to see, the representation of those different diagrams. Now, Tai Chi itself is kind of like touch boxing in a way of saying. It centers around Taoist principles. It focuses on the Wu Wei, effortless action approach to things. And some people will say that Tai Chi is basically faith. But I would say that there's more to it than that. And in the program, to sum it up, you dissociate with the rest of life to enter into a practice which is moving with the current flow that goes through you. You work on connecting polarities. You try to go slow and work in some variety. You definitely want to use the different muscles and different ways that blood pressure and heart rate and stuff can be affected by physical exercise. You start with practices that are going to be life revivifying and maintaining of your health. And then you work up in skill and you learn things in stages. And you form experience of the selections of lifestyle that applies to what you've been going over. In the mean, we have fire up top. On the left, you have wood on the bottom left. You have earth in the center, water, the top right, and metal, the bottom right. Tai Chi means something like touch boxing. It focuses on the principle of Wei, an exertion, and you try to form a sort of wholeless practice. Which can also be said to be non-differentiated. And it's Wuji, which can be thought of as the ultimate state of being and the original state. So we can connect this to certain other concepts like the crown chakra, the fitra, various other religion and language terms. So there is a mythology connected to all of this, and you don't really have this presented like this in the program, but it certainly comes off in the category of the law of least effort, but not really in a new agey sort of way. And I figure that so many of these martial arts and other such things would, in a more developed age in terms of the mentality of people, would be presented in the more mythological context of Buddhism or Taoism or whatever other culture.